So once the model has been imported into Navisworks, our next step is to associate a search set with each of the elements for which we had a task ID associated in Revit. And the way to do that is if you go to Find Items, under Home, go to Find Items, and then also go to select this arrow next to Sets and click on Manage Sets. So we want this panel to show up. Now, for the Find Items, what you gotta do is you gotta go to Category, right? So you go to Category and you select Element, and under Element, the property that we need to look at is the Task ID. So if we search for that, this is our task ID, and we want that to equal to one of these values. So for each one of these, we want to create a search set. So let's start off with the first one. We selected 311. If you click on Find All, so these will be highlighted, and as you can see, these blue ones are columns, have been highlighted. So once you're 100% sure that these have been highlighted, you go to your panel on the left side and you right click and you go to save search and name that as 311. Click on enter. Now we do this for all the other search for all the other values. So click on that, find all, and if we look at the top part, this is basically our beams. So click on find all and then right click, save search and name that as 312. Again, last demonstration, if I were to pick, say, 321, for instance, find all, you see that these columns have been now highlighted, and I go to right click, save search and name that as 321. So you'll see that each of these search sets have been named the same as the value that we associated for the task ID. And you keep doing that for all the objects up until you finish all these levels in this drop down list.